coming. So Arsenal hold the Premier League record for the most points, finishing 5th, 75 points. Arsenal hold the Premier League record for the most points, finishing 4th, 79 points. And we also hold the record with the most points in finishing 3rd. We break records week in, week out, season in, season out. People say Man City break records. People say Liverpool break records. You need to put Arsenal in that conversation. We always break records as well. We need to be in that conversation with City and Liverpool. And people say, where's the European trophy? You don't need to have a European trophy to be a massive club. I saw this today.
The most irrelevant stat of them all. Oh, record-breaking numbers to get 5th. Record-breaking numbers to get 4th. Record-breaking numbers to get 3rd in the Premier League history. Listen here, so filu da puta, the East African Craig David. Let me break it down to you, yeah? Let me break it down to you. End of the day, I don't care about them stats. The only stat I care about is winning major honours of filu da puta. I don't care about what this flipping bow selector, Craig David, get down, Kez, with the flipping bird is talking about. All I care about is lifting trophies. What are you talking about? Who cares? Man talking about breaking records. Bro, they flipping did Centurions. They flipping went and won the treble. Stats like that I care about. Stats about ending the season 3rd, 4th, and 5th. This is what we're gloating about. This is what you got chest about. This is what I'm saying. This fan base is embarrassing, bro. How is that something to pump your chest about?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's you know what's funny? It's people like that come then later on and say, you know, if you want certain standards, go to Real Madrid. If you want certain standards, go to Bayern Munich. You know, you can't be bringing these standards to my football club. Well, in case your football club. And I'm like, I don't think I need to be Real Madrid or Bayern to know that I don't need to gloat how many points that I finished 3rd on or 4th on or 5th on. Like, why? You said it perfectly. These are irrelevant stats. You're bringing up stats of when you didn't win. Who's gonna remember that? Did you remember that? No, seriously. Tell me right now, Northside. Did you remember any of these stats? I'm pretty sure you was watching Arsenal at that time. Do you remember any of these stats? I didn't even know they existed. You know why?
I do my best to forget.
but you know why? You know why no one cares that Arsenal had the best record for a 4th place finish, 79 points. You know why? Because you didn't lift the trophy. I couldn't give a shit how many points you finished on. Like, what? How is that relevant to my season? No one goes into the season and you know what, guys? Let's see if we can break a record of amount of points without winning the league. No one gives a fuck, bro. Like, honestly, the standard is so on the floor sometimes with certain people that it just pisses me off because I don't expect everyone to win the league every year. I can't claim that. There's only one trophy and there's 20 teams. So there's 19 losers. And let's not brag about being losers. Let's just go and say all right, we didn't do enough this time. I want to win the league next time. Or I should have won the league this time. I'm not gonna go be like, yo, I remember that season 5 years ago? Yeah, I lost on more points than you. Just letting you know, I broke the record, bro. Next time, try to break my record of being the best loser. Come on, bro. We're better than that. We should be a lot better than that, bro.
Bro, how many times did these Arsenal idiots, yeah, absolute idiots, how many times, yeah, do they remember of Poch putting pressure on, yeah, for Man City coming in 2nd in the league? How many times did they rate Pochettino for putting the pressure on? How many times did they rate Poch so highly he got to a Champions League final? Do they rate him off the back of getting to a Champions League final with a Tottenham team that weren't spending no money and was allowing their team to decay? Did they say, you know what, he's applied the pressure on and he finished 2nd. You know what, by that basis, get him to Arsenal. When Ole Gunnar Solskjaer got 2nd with Man United, did Arsenal fans turn around and say, oh, you know what, that's an elite manager. We need to go and get Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. No, they don't, bro, because they don't rate these managers, bro. So why is it that they bash these managers? Oh, no, but they're nearly men. What did they win? But when it's Arsenal, oh, it's amazing. We're putting the pressure on. Oh, record-breaking numbers to win nothing. So filo da puta. Que estás a falar? Tá falar merda, tá falar da toa, tá falar porcaria, pá. Fala como Deus said. What are you talking about? All these stats about doing nothing, winning nothing. Who cares? Who actually cares? Record-breaking numbers to win nothing, bro. Do you know what, yeah? Forget the Invincibles merch. This club is so dead, yeah, in terms of standards, yeah? We're going to start getting... I will not be surprised this club starts printing. This season, we applied the pressure. Do you remember Cecil, Sonic Cecil? He had the table. Oh, we had the top of the league. Top of the league merchandise. Bro, whatever, man. Whatever. Why is that even relevant? Why is that even part of the conversation?
Bro,
This
you
guy,
guys were
bro.
you guys were the Christmas champions, remember? You know how every team when they win a tournament, they usually have like the year or how many championships they won, and they just parade it on the last day, like if you won the league or champions or whatever. I've never seen a fan base that pulls a t-shirt with Prince on it. It's December. Nah, bro, I'm sorry for you, bro, but your fan base, bro, some of the people in your fan base are absolutely comical, bro. They're absolutely comical, and they're gonna be the ones that keep calling you toxic. I heard someone today tell you on Footy Judges Mo, Footy Judge Mo's channel saying, "Oh, are you gonna be able to celebrate the league if we win?" And they're like, "Oh, because you didn't enjoy it along the way." Well, are these people gonna apologize to you if you don't win the league? Like, why is it only one way? Why is it only a one-way street when it comes to that stuff? Like, I don't think you're gonna be walking around claiming, "Oh, like, yeah, I need some apologies now that we didn't win the league."
Bro,
Like,
is this guy, bro, facts. Is this guy here, yeah? This guy, Roger the alien from American Dad, is he gonna apologize to me if we don't win the league? Because this guy said we're gonna do Invincible. This guy says we're gonna do the double. This guy says we're the favorites to win the league. This guy says that we're unstoppable this season. Bro, they won't. Do you know why? Because these men are the soft belly supporters of this football club. This is why they don't show their face. This is why they don't show their name. This is why they don't ever come back and chat to me, yeah, when things are going bad. None of these Philly Puta were in my chat when we lost 3 games in a row. These men are doing emergency streams and then getting off the internet, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of it, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? It's always about, yeah, cussing the fans that actually demand success. We're always the bad guys. We're always the bad ones. We're always the ones that everything needs to be blamed on. It's a joke, bro. You know what I mean? Dad looking like Roger from American Dad. I'm sick and tired of this guy, bro. Anyway, let's move on, bro.